Box truck financing, quick and easy box truck loans and commercial truck financing. Call 888-653-0124 today or click the link in the description to learn more. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to get financing for your box truck? Do you need commercial truck loans? If you answered yes to either question, then read on. In this article, we'll look at how to finance your box truck with a box truck loan. We'll also cover how to finance your commercial trucks with a commercial truck loan. If you've never heard of box truck financing before, you might not realize just how simple it is. It's very similar to car financing, except that you use a bank account instead of a credit card, making the whole process extremely fast and easy. We'll go over everything from beginning to end, including how to apply for a box truck loan, what types of boxes you can buy, and even how to calculate your monthly payments. Financing a truck. How to find the best deal. If you're looking to finance a truck, there are many factors to consider. The most crucial factor is whether you need financing for a personal vehicle, PV, or a commercial use vehicle, CUV. Personal vehicles are typically used for family transportation, while commercial vehicles are used for work purposes. Personal vehicles often include passenger cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, and minivans. Commercial vehicles include box trucks, dump trucks, flatbeds, tractor-trailers, semi-trucks, and refrigerated containers. When deciding between a PV and CUV, keep these points in mind. Is the truck being financed for personal or commercial use? What type of truck is needed? Will the truck be used primarily for local driving or long-distance travel? Are any special features required? Do you plan to lease or purchase the truck? Does the truck require extensive repairs? Can you afford the monthly payments? Once you've decided whether you need financing for your PV or CUV, you'll need to determine where to find the best deal. Several options are available, including banks, credit unions, online lenders, and private companies. Banks and credit unions offer loans through traditional channels. Online lenders usually provide short-term loans, while private companies offer longer-term ones. What kind of loan do I need? If you're looking for a quick loan, you should consider a commercial truck financing loan. This type of loan is designed specifically for businesses that need cash fast. Commercial truck loans are available through banks and credit unions. They offer flexible payment options, including monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, and even daily payments. When applying for a commercial truck loan, be prepared to show proof of income and assets. Your lender may require a personal guarantee, too. Some lenders will ask you to submit a copy of your most recent pay stubs, and others may request copies of your last 3 years' tax returns. Still, others may ask for bank statements showing at least 6 months of deposits. Your lender will review these documents and decide whether or not to approve your application. Once approved, you can expect to receive funds within 24 hours. If you're looking for long-term financing, you should consider a box truck loan. Financial institutions and specialized finance companies usually offer these loans. They typically come with more extended repayment periods than short-term commercial truck loans, ranging from 12 to 30 months. However, they often include lower interest rates and better terms. To qualify for a box truck loan, you must meet specific requirements. Most lenders will require a minimum amount of equity in your vehicle. Equity refers to the difference between the value of your vehicle and any outstanding debts against it. The greater the equity, the better off you are when repaying your loan. Lenders will also require a down payment. Typically, this is 10% of the total cost of the vehicle. Finally, some lenders will require a personal guarantor, which means you agree to repay the entire loan if you fail to do so. Once you've met the above criteria, you can apply for a box truck loan online. Special financing incentives. If you're looking for a quick and easy box truck loan, there are several things you should consider. First, you must be aware of the different types of financing available. Second, you need to understand the benefits and drawbacks of each type of financing. Finally, you need to determine whether any special incentives apply to your situation. There are three main types of financing for buying a used box truck. The most common type is called Purchase Money Financing (PMS). PMS loans require no down payment, and the seller pays off the balance over time. This type of financing is usually offered at lower interest rates than traditional bank loans. However, PMS loans come with some disadvantages. For instance, sellers often try to negotiate a better deal for themselves, and buyers may not realize they've been sold a lemon. Another option is lease financing (LPM), where the buyer makes monthly payments to the seller until the vehicle is paid off. LPMs typically offer lower interest rates than PMS loans, but buyers must pay for maintenance and repairs throughout the contract term. Finally, there are installment loans (ILM), where the buyer borrows money from a lender and agrees to repay the amount borrowed plus interest over a set period. ILMs are similar to credit cards, except lenders usually require a security deposit equal to 20% of the total loan amount. To help you decide which type of financing works best for you, here are 4 questions to ask yourself when shopping for a used box truck. First-time buyer? Get the best deal on your truck loan. If you're buying a truck for the first time, there are some things you should consider when shopping for financing. First, shop around. Don't just go to the dealership where you bought your last vehicle. Ask friends and family who've purchased trucks recently. They may be able to recommend a lender who offers better rates than the dealer. Second, ask yourself whether you need a loan or lease. Leasing gives you flexibility, but you pay monthly payments regardless of your cash flow. On the other hand, loans require you to pay back the total amount at the end of the term. Third, find out what type of tax deductions you qualify for. The IRS allows owners of certain vehicles to deduct interest paid on a car loan, reducing taxable income and lowering taxes owed. Fourth, figure out how much you can afford to spend. There are many ways to finance a truck purchase, including leasing, taking out a personal loan, getting a bank loan, or going through a credit union. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Finally, consider these tips when shopping for financing. Shop around. Find out what type of tax deductible you qualify for. Determine how much you can afford. Make sure you understand the differences between leasing and borrowing. Call 888-653-0124 today or click the link in the description to learn more.